How to check iPhone activation date with IMEI. In this video, I will show you how to check the exact activation date of your iPhone using your IMEI number. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General, then tap on About. Keep scrolling until you find IMEI. Tap on it and select Copy. Next, open your browser and visit unlock.com. Once you're on the site, scroll down to Check Services and choose the Activation Date Check option. After that, paste your IMEI number into the provided field and enter your email address so the report can be sent directly to you. Then, review the order summary, where the price is typically around $4, and complete the purchase. Afterward, check your email for the full report, which will include the exact activation date of your iPhone along with other useful information, like warranty status and AppleCare coverage. Now you'll have all the details you need when buying or selling an iPhone. We hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on future tips. Thanks for watching.